Hello and welcome to Bob's Tech. This channel has been used for a variety of different things in the past, and my journey in the last year has led me deeper into the 3D printing side of things. There's a few products that we print and sell online, and I've also dedicated a large amount of time of helping people on a lot of the Facebook groups. And I thought I might start posting videos on this channel. I post some on some of my other channels, but I thought I'd start directing more on this channel. And to give you a little bit of my background, I have a heavy background not only in electronic engineering, but also in troubleshooting. I spent 25 plus years in the service engineer industry with scientific instrumentation. And my job traveling all around the world was to troubleshoot. So I kind of consider myself a pretty good troubleshooter. So a lot of times I see people, they get a brand new printer, they have issues, they have problems, and then I try to help them isolate, find the problems, and hopefully get their printers back up and going. But this is a couple of the printers that I have right now. I have the H2D, the P2S, and as you can see, some AMS 2 Pros, AMS HT, and this is these are some pretty good printers. So, but anyway, I deal with a lot of different types of filaments. I've got a dryer down here. Have another dryer over there. I don't use that one very much anymore. My biggest problem is space, because probably 95% of what I print is hydroscopic. So, PETG, PCTG, and, ASA, ABS, ASA carbon fiber, ABS glass fiber, those type of filaments, nylon, things like that. So I have to have storage space. And like right now, every single one of my AMS slots are full. The dryer is full. I have totes down here full of filament. I've got totes over here full of filament. And everything that's in boxes is either stuff that is new that hasn't been opened, or it's PLA and stuff like that. And so that's one of my biggest challenges, is keeping enough room. So anyway, I just wanted to jump on here, and people that are subscribed to the channel, maybe a little different than what you've seen in the past, but I am going to start uploading some videos to document some of the things and maybe help some people out down the road. That's it. Thank you very much.